In the game of Mobile Legends. Where Carl and Yowie had 5v5. Carl defend the base and letting their opponents go back to their base. Carl managed to kick their opponents to their base, but Carl got ambushed by Yowie, letting Yowie to give Carl a kind words to another level. Yet Yowie also got down, giving Carl a kind words to Yowie. What a gentleman. Another clip of Rekka playing with his depressed friend who let Rekka to 1v1 for memorable gameplay. A kind Rekka said to his depressed friend a kind word, letting him cry to another level.
Kinain niya yung papa mo, putang ina pre. Kinain yung mama mo, patay. Kinain yung papa ng mama niya, kaya wala kang papa. Ang totoong nangyari nun, kaya wala kang papang inabutan kasi yung papa mo kinain ng mama mo. Tangina mo, dambuhala yung mama mo, balyena yun. Balyena yung mama. O, galit ka?
Tama.
Ikaw, nagagalit ka. Sorry. Hindi, kasi pre, balyena yung mama niya. Tangina mo, mama mo, butanding. Pangit nun. Kasi yung papa mo, kambing.
Huwag kang dito ka, huwag kang mamersunal, ayop ka.
Ay, gawa umiyak.
Bakit? Ayusin mo yan, tol. Hindi na magandang trash to yan, tol.
What a kind Rekka.